Hello everybody, welcome to our channel. Today I'm gonna show you wireless charging settings on your VIVO X300. So to check your wireless charging settings, open up your settings, go down here to battery, health and charging, and wireless charging sensing location. So basically here you can see where the wireless charging sensing array is. So align the center of the illustration with the center of the wireless charger for a better charging experience. So, and here you can also check your reverse wireless charging. And turn on the fast charging. So that's it. Thank you for watching and subscribe.